What's going on, guys? First, I'd like to start by saying I hope you had a Merry Christmas and I wish you all the best in the new year. 2021 is going to be a great year for us, and we're going to do great things and we're going to accomplish a lot. So I'm back with another video about meditation. Honestly, meditation has changed my life so much. I can't even explain the benefits meditation has given me. It's made my life so much happier, and honestly, I don't know where I'd be right now if I didn't start meditating, to be honest with you. So that's why in this video I want to show you 3 easy ways to meditate at home, in the gym, or anywhere, preferably at home. So yeah, that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So I'm going to show you 3 ways that I meditate so you can start meditating yourself. So one of my favorite ways to meditate is simply just listening to music. So just throwing on my favorite songs and just listening to the music, closing my eyes, just listening to the song, just relaxing. I love doing this because it's just simple, easy way to meditate, but it's very effective, and also it's just relaxing. So yeah, just simply choosing 3 or 4 of your favorite songs, just playing it, listening to it, closing your eyes, just listening to it. Each time your mind gets distracted, just simply coming back to the sound of the music. Personally, I love doing this kind of meditation at nighttime because for some reason I just feel the most relaxed at night. But you can also do it in the morning when you wake up as well. Another great way to meditate is what's called the square breathing method. So it's a visualization exercise, but it's also like a meditation that's a breathing exercise as well. So first, what I'd love you to do is just close your eyes and just imagine a square, just however you imagine a square to be, a square shape. And then what it is, it's you take 1 breath in, so that's the first part of the square. You hold your breath, that's the second part of the square. You exhale, so when you exhale, that's the third part of the square. And then you hold your breath on the exhale. That's the last part of the square. So you're gonna repeat that process. You repeat that process for about 5 or 6 times. It's a great breathing exercise for anyone who is struggling with anxiety or to relieve stress. Personally, I do this breathing exercise first thing when I wake up in the morning, before I start work, to help me feel relaxed and at ease, and also when I finish work to relieve any stress and to help me just chill out for the rest of the day. So yeah, square breathing method. It's basically you just hold you take a breath in, you hold it, you breathe out, and you hold it. That's it. It's an easy way and a great way to meditate. Just simply repeating that for about 5 times or however many times you want. After it, you'll find that you feel just so relaxed and calm. The third and final way to meditate is by stretching. So I work out a lot, so a lot of the times my body is very tight, my muscles and my joints are very tight. So what I like to do is, first thing in the morning before I start my day, I like to, stretch out, or before I start my workout, I like to stretch out to feel looser. So yeah, just simply by just following my breath when I'm stretching. That's also a form of meditation. It makes the stretching way less painful, and I'm able to feel the stretch much easier as well. So yeah, just before you start your workout, so when you wake up in the morning, just do your normal stretching routine, and also you can just follow your breath. That's what yoga is. Yoga is a form of meditation, so you're basically following your breath as you stretch. So yeah guys, that was it. They're my 3 ways, easy ways to meditate at home. That's how I meditate now. So yeah, you have no excuse. There are 3 very easy methods to meditate. So first is just by listening to your favorite songs and just listening to the sound of the music and catching yourself each time you get distracted, coming back to the sound of the music. The second way is the square breathing method, which is you just breathing in, holding it, and breathing out and holding it. And the final way is by stretching. So just, stretching in the morning or before you work out and just following your breath as you stretch. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. 2021 is going to be a great year for us. We're going to do great things in this year. I'm going to do great things in this year. I'm going to come out with way better videos for you guys. More videos about mental health, how to improve your mental health, more fitness content, and I'll also keep posting more self-defense content for you guys as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Please like this video if you did. Don't be afraid to share with any of your friends that might find this video helpful. Comment down below any questions you have for me or any videos you'd like me to make. And yeah, go smash your day. Go meditate right now. You need to take care of your mind. Taking care of your body is important, you know what I mean? But you also need to take care of your mind, because your mind is literally, as I said in previous videos, your mind is your life, you know what I mean? If you have a healthy, solid, stable mind, then your life will be much better, and you'll be much happier as well.